Day 2 in Brunswick right here. Just now getting putting the stuff up in the car. Let me see, I think this is fogging up a little bit. So just now putting the stuff up in the car. Got some pretty good sleep last night. I think I slept the whole time, all the way through to checkout. So today, nice skies out. Last night the thunder got so loud that it actually startled me at one point. So that was crazy. So right now, just getting ready to get something to eat, and then head check in at another hotel that I selected. Today, this was the one from the client or whatever that they got me, which I told them, I said, hey, I just need a room, man. Just need a little something. So it was no frills on this one, but this next one should have a little bit more relaxation. So anyway, it's time to eat. We got about 4 hours to kill before we actually go into the have to check in at the other hotel. So we'll see what's happening. You actually have to pay to get on Jekyll Island on the beach. It's only $6, but I think we may wait and check in first at the hotel, get situated, and then head out to the beach. All right, so we just got checked in at the new hotel here. Well, not new, but a different hotel, and I think they have an inside pool. So may have to see what this inside pool is talking about. So day 2 continues here in Brunswick, Georgia. We may get a chance to hit up Jekyll Island or St. Simon's or something like that. So I don't know. The day is young. It's like 2 o'clock. So we'll see what happens. And we got some early checkout. So early check-in. So one tip, be nice to people, man. Be courteous. Ask people how they're doing. They can sometimes make your day a little bit better. So that's it for now. Let's get inside the room, get changed, and see what the day has to offer. And I really travel with this thing, my little rollie right here. This is my camera in the silver case. But I said, why not, man? Why not just have the rollie and make life a little bit easier? Well, this is a stark difference from the last place. So you like this?
No, it's about the same size. It just looks better, and the bathroom, I'm pretty sure it looks like a bathroom.
The bathroom looks like a bathroom. So what you trying to say about the other one?
Just look suspect.
Yeah, this is kind of clean here.
This is actually a little smaller than the one that I say.
But it'll work. We're here, man, Jekyll Island. No work today, all play. The skies look like it's gonna rain a little bit, possibly, but we're just gonna check it out, see what's happening. You know me, anytime I'm near a beach, I gotta just check it out. I think one day I'm just gonna build some kind of house on the beach.